It is day 4. We did 1,000 miles in the last 3 days, from mountains to ocean today.
You may find yourself living in a shotgun shack, and you may find yourself in another part of the world, and you may find yourself behind the wheel of a large automobile, and you may find yourself in a beautiful house with a beautiful wife, and you may ask yourself, well, how did I get here? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down, letting the days go by.
Lagunitas Brewing. What do you think, boys?
I'm ordering some flights. Oh.
Once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. And you may ask yourself, how do I work this? And you may ask yourself, where is that large
So we're about to go into San Francisco. We have a bathroom break.
my beautiful house? And you may tell yourself, this is not my beautiful wife. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground. Into the blue again, after the money's gone. Once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was. 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 Water dissolving and water removing. There is water at the bottom of the ocean. Under the water, carry the water.
We made it to San Francisco. We're gonna try and make it out to the coast.
You may ask yourself, what is that beautiful house? You may ask yourself, where does that highway go to? And you may ask yourself, am I right? Am I wrong? And you may say to yourself, my God, what have I done? Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground. Into the blue again, into the silent water, under the rocks and stones. There is water underground. Letting the days go by, let the water hold me down. Letting the days go by, water flowing underground. Into the blue again, after the money's gone. Once in a lifetime, water flowing underground. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Look where my hand was. Time isn't holding up. Time isn't after us. Same as it ever was.
Great together. Oh, he's getting us a campsite tonight because we have nowhere to stay. Checking all the places.
Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Here comes the twister. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was. Same as it ever was.
Eating some tacos on the Macamo. Delicious.
Little carnitas burrito.
Oh, carnitas.
First time eating off the back of the bike.
Yep, yep.
Sweet little camp area. 3 little tents.